Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Quick Compare widget. The Quick Compare widget allows customers to effortlessly compare the features of different products, helping them choose the option that best suits their needs. By enabling this feature, you offer a streamlined and user-friendly way for shoppers to evaluate multiple products side by side. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Quick Compare widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, select the Quick Compare drawer. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Widget Group, Quick Compare drawer. Here, you can customize all the settings. Drawer width adjusts the overall width of the Quick Compare drawer. Normal sets the drawer to standard width. Large expands the drawer for a wider product comparison view. Close icon. Customize the icon used to close the Quick Compare drawer. Example, close. Product image height, mobile only. Controls the height of product images in the mobile view. Maximum height is 200 pixels, default 100 pixels. Color schemes. Match the widget to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. We have 3 predefined blocks already: Quick Compare heading, items, and empty. Let's start with Quick Compare heading. We have multiple options here. Text defines the main heading displayed in the Quick Compare drawer. Use count to dynamically show the total number of compared items. Example, compare count items. Heading size adjusts how large or small the heading text appears for better readability and design balance. Small, minimal heading size for a compact layout. Medium, balanced size suitable for most designs. Large, prominent size for better visibility. Extra large, bigger heading for emphasis. Extra large, maximum size for bold standout headings. Alignment controls the horizontal positioning of the heading text within the Quick Compare drawer. Left aligns the heading to the left side. Center centers the heading evenly in the drawer.
Now, let's move on to Quick Compare Empty. We have multiple options here. This block will be displayed when the Quick Compare is empty. Empty drawer text defines the message displayed when no products are added to the Quick Compare drawer. Example, your Quick Compare is empty. Heading size adjust the size of the empty drawer message to match your design. Small, compact text for minimal layouts. Medium, balanced text size for standard appearance. Large, prominent text for visibility. Extra large, bigger, more noticeable message. Extra large, maximum size for strong emphasis. After this all setting, you can see the setting for the bubble, which appears on Quick Compare icon. Here is the setting for your Quick Compare bubble. Go to Theme Settings, choose Quick Compare. Enable Quick Compare animation. Toggle this on to bring your Quick Compare to life with smooth animation, or switch it off for a simple static look. Animation type. Now for the fun part, animations. You can choose from a variety of effects to make your Quick Compare stand out. Bounce makes the bubble jump a little, perfect for grabbing attention. Flash, a quick blink to draw the eye. Pulse smoothly expands and contracts like a heartbeat. Shake X, a playful left to right shake. Shake Y, a gentle up and down motion. Ta-da! A cheerful shake and scale combo adds some personality. Heartbeat, a rhythmic pulse that feels alive and inviting. Interval time, this sets how often the animation repeats. Example, 5 seconds means the animation will trigger every 5 seconds. Duration time, this controls how long the animation plays each time. Example, 1 second means each animation lasts exactly 1 second. Size. Choose your bubble size. Small, compact, and less intrusive. Medium. Nicely balanced, recommended for most stores. Large. Large for maximum visibility. Position. You can choose where the Quick Compare appears on your store. Here are the 4 options. Top left. Displays in the top left corner for a clean, left-aligned design. Top right. Appears in the top right corner for easy access, a common layout choice. Bottom left. Positioned at the bottom left for a subtle, less intrusive experience. Bottom right. Displays in the bottom right corner, ideal for mobile-friendly designs. Background color. From Inherit, we can apply our default color scheme, and from Custom, we can choose Custom Color Scheme. Custom background color. Simply choose the exact color that fits your store's vibe. Border color. From Inherit, we can apply our default color scheme, and from Custom, we can choose Custom Color Scheme. Custom border color. Set the custom border color for your Quick Compare. Opacity. You can also adjust how transparent your Quick Compare appears. Example, 100% means it's fully solid, while lowering the value makes it more subtle. Quick Compare color. Choose a color for your Quick Compare. Show count. Enable this option to display the number of products added to the Quick Compare. It helps customers easily keep track of how many items they've added to their Quick Compare. Show on hover. Turn on this option to display the Quick Compare icon only when hovering over a product in the product grid or cart section. This keeps the design clean while still allowing quick access to the Quick Compare when hovering. Quick Compare type. Choose how you want the Quick Compare to appear for your customers. Drawer. Displays the Quick Compare in a slide-out drawer on the same page. This allows users to view their Quick Compare items without leaving the current page. Page. Opens the Quick Compare on a separate dedicated page, providing a full and clear view of all saved products. Page. Choose the specific Quick Compare page you want to link with this feature. This ensures the Quick Compare opens or redirects to the correct page when customers view their saved items. Enable or disable options to control which product details display in your Quick Compare widget. Show product image. Show product title. Show product price. Show product type. Show product vendor. Show product collections. Show product tags. Show product short descriptions. Position. Choose where you want the Quick Compare icon to appear on the product page. Inside pricing block. Displays the Quick Compare icon next to or within the product pricing area, keeping it close to the add to cart and price details for quick access. On product image. Places the Quick Compare icon directly over the product image, making it easily noticeable and accessible while browsing. And that's it! Your Quick Compare widget is now fully set up. With all these customization options, you're giving your customers a smoother shopping experience while boosting engagement and conversions. If you ever need assistance or have questions, our Debutify support team is here and always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.